Hi guys, I'm Sarah Ndele and I'm the account executive for Visa. And Visa is hosting the first of its kind ultimate gastronomic experience called Visa Nights. It's being held every Wednesday starting at 12 noon at 17 of Jamaica's best restaurants. We partnered with 876 Water, Red Stripe and Quick Plate to bring you this amazing experience.
Hi guys, my name is Quiet Perry. I'm a Visa ambassador.
And I'm Casey Fennell Shirley, and I am too a Visa ambassador.
Welcome to the family.
Thank you.
So we're here at Orchid Village and we're about to dine at 3 restaurants.
Right, and the 3 participating restaurants are Chive, Tamarind, and Raffaele's.
Of course, and we're about to dig in and of course have a great time.
Welcome to Raffaele's. My name is Charmaine. I am the head chef. We're going to talk about Visa Night promotion, which is you get 20% off. We have like the chicken wings with sweet chili sauce. We have bruschettas with jerk chicken. We have like Raffaele's salad. We have pizzas like Spanish chorizo, our jerk chicken pizzas, and many other pizzas, which are all gourmet pizzas, right? And we have like pastas, salmon pasta. We have ribs in our sorrel sauce, which goes with herb mashed potatoes.
My name is Executive Chef Paul Bennett here at Chive. Today we did a tapas tasting menu. Some of the items on the menu includes our jerk chicken fiesta wings with candied rye plantain and mango caviar. We also did a time-scented snapper spring roll that was paired with our signature house sauce, which is a Cajun mustard aioli sauce. We also did a vegetable cannoli, which is duxelle with a pumpkin cream sauce encased in a puff pastry. We also did a passion fruit barbecue spare ribs, and that was served with edible flowers. Also, we did our dessert, which is a carrot a la mode, so carrot and homemade gooseberry ice cream at the same time.
Hi, my name is Tanesha Thomas. I'm from Tamarind and I'm the supervisor. What we serve today is our vegetable samosas, our malai tikka, our chili fried fish, our tandoori broccoli, stuffed mushrooms, and our butter chicken served with garlic naan.